Your global enterprise may have 1,000 locations and even more supply chain professionals delivering thousands of SKUs to millions of customers across countries and continents around the world. Given the scale of your business, you're doing amazingly well. Your team may be using hundreds of enterprise systems, and it requires a lot of hard work on their part to reconcile information and coordinate operations within each department and across your trading partners. But imagine this. Imagine if you could have a single view over every site and across every region, from your suppliers to your end customers. Imagine if you could see the global picture, yet drill down into the details, to see every order and its status, and see every shipment and track it in real time. Imagine if you knew when shipments would arrive at each facility and when they were delivered to each customer. Imagine if you could see into the future. Imagine if you were alerted to potential issues as they emerged, and with the help of artificial intelligence, could identify the best fixes and apply them quickly, before the issues develop into full-blown problems. The good news is that it's all possible. This is all functionality in One Network's proven control tower solution. What is a control tower? The One Network Control Tower serves as a system of engagement across trading partners and orchestrates companies, people, and assets to work together in real time to serve the end consumer more efficiently and at lower cost. Executives, departmental managers, and supply chain staff in global enterprises are using the One Network Control Tower to monitor, manage, plan, and execute decisions across their companies and with their partners. This control tower can be configured for each role and function, including transportation management. It can aggregate data from your systems and your trading partner systems to give you the big picture of real-time demand, supply, and logistics, while letting you drill down into individual orders and shipments when necessary. It proactively alerts you to potential problems, their root causes and contributing factors, and makes recommendations so you can resolve them quickly and efficiently. You can see the impact of a problem on sales and service levels, as well as the cost associated with each proposed resolution, so you can make better and more profitable decisions. You will be able to collaborate with colleagues and with your suppliers and carriers, both domestic and international. In fact, the supply chain control tower excels in complex scenarios like international, multi-leg, multimodal moves. It can intelligently represent the legs based on advanced shipment notices provided by suppliers or based on shipment plans provided by freight forwarders. If a shipment is delayed, the control tower predicts the effects on the following legs, the impact on the customer, and alerts managers. It includes freight auditing capability, so the tower managers can inspect and verify freight bills for accuracy and adjust them if necessary. And when it comes to import-export documentation, the control tower automates tiresome manual work, tracks customs hold and clearance events, and keeps things on track by alerting us about upcoming tasks, missing documentation, and milestones. Let's take a closer look at how this single platform gives you total visibility and control over your inbound shipments and outbound freight. Without real-time visibility to inbound shipments, you don't know if or when shipments will arrive. You may often find out that a delivery is late only after it doesn't arrive. By then, it's too late to do anything, and you're forced into firefighting. This increases workload and costs. It undermines your customer service levels and erodes confidence in your brand. The control tower provides real-time visibility to orders and shipments with real-time tracking across all legs and modes, so you always know exactly what is where and why. And if something goes wrong, say a container is held up in port or a truck breaks down, you know immediately. You know its impact on subsequent legs and on the customer, and what the options are to address it. Artificial intelligence will help assess the risk and costs involved with each problem and the possible resolutions, so you can fix things with minimal disruption and costs. Intelligent agents can even execute their recommendations autonomously. You will also have total outbound visibility all the way through to delivery confirmation. Without visibility to outbound shipments, you have no idea when or even if they were delivered to customers and what condition the product was in. Often, the first sign something went wrong is the last thing you want, a customer complaint, and then you are reacting to a crisis instead of proactively managing a relatively minor issue. The One Network Control Tower provides you with milestones across every delivery route, transportation leg, and mode, so you know exactly where a shipment should be at all times. If there is a delay or deviation, you get an alert immediately and collaborate with partners in real time to resolve it, and, if necessary, let your customer know immediately. With automatic delivery confirmation, you know immediately when a delivery is completed, so invoicing can begin and you can get paid sooner. You will have a complete and authoritative record of all shipments and deliveries. This means you can both reduce the risk of chargebacks and counter erroneous ones, saving money and your reputation. Not only that, you can also identify reasons for lapses in service, whether they are freight forwarder, carrier, vehicle, or driver related, and proactively address recurring problems. This will minimize them in future, lower costs, and ensure better service to customers. The One Network Control Tower is a platform that can connect to virtually any other technology, whether your own or a partner's, and that can adapt to grow with your evolving needs. With One Network Software Developer Kit, your team can adapt modules to suit your exact needs, extend their capabilities, or create entirely new ones. This means your control tower will always keep you at the forefront of innovation. Thinking big picture for a minute, a supply chain control tower strategy will advance your business and help move you from less structured processes and partial information flows toward becoming a real-time information-driven organization in planning and operations. You will have accurate data to drive decision-making and take important steps towards autonomous supply chain execution. You can leverage this data and One Network's artificial intelligence to handle routine tasks automatically and optimize replenishment and transportation processes so you can manage by exception. This will let your team work much more efficiently, deploy resources more intelligently for higher value, and improve customer service. We've seen companies significantly increase service levels and grow revenues, even as they dramatically lower inventory costs and logistics expenses with this advanced technology. One Network is recognized by industry analysts such as Gartner, IDC, Chainlink, and Nucleus Research as a leader in control tower technology and multi-enterprise networks. One Network's customers include Albertsons, Dana, Dollar General, Bloomin' Brands, and numerous government agencies running mission-critical operations, including the U.S. Armed Forces. We serve CPG companies and manufacturers, retailers and restaurant businesses, pharmaceutical companies and hospitals, logistics providers, and many more. It's a proven technology that will work for you.